Looking for a body tape measures? Our tools and equipment appliance experts bought and tested the top 5 body tape measures available in 2022 and put them through a rigorous side-by-side comparison to find the very best. Each model was subjected to a punishing quality of tests for whipping, mixing, and kneading. Our recommendations are based on our extensive hands-on testing and can help you find the perfect body tape measures for your needs and budget. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the Stanley tape measure, Chrome, 25 foot. This classic pick has a sliding lock to keep the tape in place and a respectable 25-foot measurement maximum. Even though there are plenty of measurement devices with upgraded features available today, sometimes you just want a simple, affordable tape measure. The Stanley PowerLock tape measure gives you a reliable tool for taking measurements, regardless of the project. With a standard 25-foot long tape that is corrosion resistant, the tape measure is equally at home inside and outdoors. Best of all, the sliding lock keeps the tape firmly in place so you can make marks easily without worrying about losing your spot. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the Eta P16ET 16.75 decibel RP digital tape measure, 16 feet, red. With large, easy-to-read numbers, this tape measure provides exact measurements without squinting or approximating. The Eta P16 digital tape measure takes the guesswork out of reading the spaces in between the markings on a standard tape measure. With a large, easy-to-read digital display on the top of the tape measure, you can use the tool from almost any angle to get a quick measurement. The controls on the site offer options for converting imperial metric conversions and onboard measurement memory to hold multiple readings at once. The display will show both decimals and fractions for imperial units. At number 3 on our list, we have the General Tools LTM1 2-in-1 laser tape measure. This 16-foot tape measure also has a laser measurer that can report distances up to 50 feet within a quarter of an inch. Offering 2 useful measurement tools in one device, the General Tools 2-in-1 laser tape measure spans the gap between short and long distance measurements often found in construction work. The tape measure sports a 16-foot tape measure for precise markings when working with different materials. For larger distances, the laser measurer can reach up to 50 feet and measures within a quarter of an inch. This makes it perfect for measuring whole rooms and long spans that are out of reach of the tape measure. At number 2 on our list, we have the Crescent Lufkin 1/4x6 executive diameter yellow-clad A19 blade pocket tape measure. This tape measure can handle both standard distances and take circumferences of pipes and tubes into account for plumbing projects. In addition to common distance measurements, when you're plumbing you have to think about the circumference of pipes and tubes. The Lufkin W606PD engineer's tape measure is a unique tool that offers plumbers 2 types of measurements in one. One side of the tape lets you measure the diameter of a space or piece of piping, and the other side converts that number to the pipe's circumference. This ensures you have the right material for the job and that everything will fit as expected when you're installing. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Singer 00218 tape measure, 60-inch. This vinyl measure is flexible, so it can easily and accurately measure the shapes and contours of a body or clothing item. Tailors, seamstresses, and other professionals who work with fabrics know that measuring lengths and distances with fabric requires a more flexible type of measure than the kind used in construction. Singer's flexible vinyl tape bends around different shapes and contours to measure spans and distances over the surface of cloth, fabric, and even skin in both imperial and metric units. The vinyl is durable, so you don't have to worry about fraying and tearing. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.